Hi students, today we are going to learn living and non-living things. What do you mean by living and non-living things? In this video we discuss. We see many things around us like human, book, dog, house, trees, etc. These are some living and non-living things. How to differentiate living and non-living things? Now I explain. Living things. Things that have life is called living things. Example, human, trees, animals. Non-living things. Things that do not have life is called non-living things. Example, book, house, pen, etc. Do you understand? Living things can move. Living things can grow. Living things need food and water. Living things can breathe. Living things can feel. Living things can reproduce. But non-living things cannot move, grow, breathe, feel and reproduce. And also non-living things do not need food and water. Huh? Living things can grow. Yes, for example, we are born as a baby and grow as a man and old man. So we are living things. As like plants also grow as a tree. And also, for example, the animal, a little kitten is grow as a cat. Living things need food and water. Yes, we are getting energy from food. Human beings depends upon plants and animals for food. And animals depends upon plants for food. At the same time, plants make their own food from water, air and sunlight. Living things can move. Animals have their legs to move. Animals without legs crawl, slide and swim by their body. The fish swim in water with the help of fins and tails. But plants cannot move from one place to another place, but they show some movements. The touch me not plant closes its leaves when we touch it. See the image? The sunflower also turns towards the sun. So these are some movements of a plant. Living things can breathe. Yes, they can inhale and exhale. They can breathe with the help of respiratory system. Fish also lives in water. They can breathe with the help of water's oxygen. Plants also breathe. At the time of photosynthesis, plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Living things can also feel emotions like anger, fear, happiness, etc. Living things can feel All living things can feel and react. Human and animals have sense organ to feel. Yes, living things can reproduce. Reproducing is a process in which a living being gives birth to young one of its own kind. A cow gives birth to a calf. A woman gives birth to a baby. As like birds lay eggs from which young ones come out and slowly grow into adults. Seeds became plant and plants change into a big tree. So, things which can grow, things which can move, things which can breathe, things which can reproduce are called living things. One more important point for the living things. After growing and living for a long time, living things ultimately die. This is also important point for living things. Are you clear? Examples of living things are human beings, animals, and plants. Now we discuss about non-living things. Things which cannot move, things which cannot grow, things which cannot breathe, and also things which cannot reproduce. Things which cannot grow, move, breathe, and reproduce are called non-living things. Or you understand? They do not have any kind of life in them. This is known as non-living things. Some examples of non-living things: rock, bucket, water, etc. Non-living things are two kinds. One is man-made, another one is natural things or non-living things. Some examples: table, ball, doll, car. These are man-made non-living things. Sun, moon, rocks. These are some examples of natural non-living things. I hope you understand. Thank you, students.